quite the bullseye, but you know what? I still have all night to keep practicing. So I'm here at Champions in the JW Marriott Dara. It's kind of an oldie, but a goodie. And I saw the menu already and everything looks great. Can't wait to try all this amazing pub grub. All right, Chef Jean, we got one more to go. I got one more done. Oh, are you gonna let me win or?
Yes,
Yes. Oh, come on, I can almost get it. Almost get it.
There you go. Oh,
Difficult. Oh, it's going in, it's going in, it's going in.
you missed it.
Oh.
Again.
There we go. Oh, there we go.
Yes.
So, okay, I kicked your butt at foosball, but I think I see a few other games going on at Champions. So,
Yes, definitely.
what do you think you could maybe beat me at here?
Maybe that?
Maybe darts?
Yes, maybe that I can beat you.
Yes. You have anything else? What else do you have?
Snooker? I'm very good at snooker as well.
Snooker, yeah.
Yes.
And then also, I think I saw you guys had a pool table as well.
Yes, definitely.
Yeah. Oh, that's
yes.
for the snooker.
For snooker and billard also you can play on the same table as well.
Okay, so you can do all of that kind of
Yes,
stuff.
definitely.
But also, you have some great pub food here, I think.
Yes,
There's
definitely.
some delicious foods.
On your side, you have the jalapeno poppers, stuffed jalapeno. That is oven roasted.
Yes.
It's stuffed with cheese and minced beef. And it's not that spicy, I hope, for you.
And it's not like I hate when people say that because that means it's going to be spicy. So I'm expecting something. But you know, it's not like the regular jalapeno popper. You guys don't deep fry it. But
No, we oven roasted it for 8 minutes in the
oven
oven.
roasted
So
it.
roasted, yes.
It's like a cheeseburger.
Cheeseburger and stuffed in jalapeno popper.
That is really, really, really good. My mouth is full. I highly recommend you don't put, I think, the whole thing in your mouth at one time.
Yes, you have to take it like a bite at a time.
I think that's a better thing. You
Yeah.
could have told me that at the beginning. That would have been a better idea. But also you can see there's so many TVs here, so many sports games, and you afterwards, when all the sports are done, I hear that there's a band here too.
Yes, there's a band in the night, actually, from 9 to 10. There's a band that plays really good music. If you are coming early, it's better that you stay back and have at least have a band. And can you even request your own songs as well?
Ah, this is good. What's your favorite song?
I like to play Hotel California.
Hotel California. I would have thought it was Achy Breaky Heart or something. No, not for you? Well, you know what? I think this Arnold Palmer is, which is lemonade and iced tea. You're definitely going to need one of these to wash it down because now I'm actually feeling that spice from your jalapeno.
It's slowly
popper.
coming up.
It's slowly coming up. So let's go over to the snooker table and let's see if you can put on another challenge for me.
Yes, definitely.
Sounds
Why not?
good?
Yes.
Oh, smell the fry, crispy fries. Obviously your fries aren't very good.
Champion, champion.
This is the DJ Bravo song, right?
Yes, it is. One of my favorite cricket player.
So did he help you out maybe? A little bit cricket, a little bit of snooker?
A bit of motivation.
A little bit of motivation. Well, the fry didn't get you to distract, but now I've been with you for over an hour. I'm getting really hungry. So over here I see 3 delicious burgers, but it's not all beef, right? You give
No.
me a little bit of something different?
We have lamb kofta actually. We transform it to a burger. You have the chicken with Cajun spice. Then you have the Ragu beef burger with cheese.
So which one do you want?
I like the beef.
You like the beef one? Okay, so I offer you the beef because I want to see you get that messy all over yourself. I'm gonna try this one over here, and the lamb burger. So you said it was an Arabic style, right? What's inside?
We have kofta. We have some Arabic spices. We have zagzata. It's a mix of spices, blend of spices from the area itself that we locally sourced.
I think it's very popular on your menu because everybody loves burgers.
Yes, everybody
right?
loves it. Yes, definitely.
Definitely, for sure. Well, I want you to give it a try. This for sure, because also I see you brought over the chicken wings, which those look fantastic and really, really crispy. So actually, I love dirty, greasy comfort food. This is probably the best thing to have.
Yes, it is. Especially after a hard day's work, it's the most comfortable thing to have.
Definitely. So go get me some wipies though. I think I'm gonna need to be. I think I'm gonna need to be cleaned up. And then as soon as I get all cleaned up, we're gonna go. And I think you have the chef's challenge for me later.
Yes, definitely.
And I actually kind of peeked in the kitchen, and everything looks actually pretty cool, guys. So wait till you check it out.
Thank you.
So usually you guys all know about the 7 days of the week. Well, I've just added an 8th, and it is definitely cheat day.
Yes, definitely. It has to be.
It definitely has to be. And we had the chef's challenge. You gave me this massive burger that is bigger than my face. You guys gotta check this thing out. It was huge. And I said, how is one person gonna finish that one burger? Even though I could probably do it. Okay, I could have done it. But I think you took it for the chef's challenge to make something a little bit different. And I have something here which, I'm sorry, I'm confused. Looks very different to the burger, so you need to explain.
Yes, we have firstly one edible football field. Actually, the idea was that if you come into a group and everybody doesn't want to eat a whole big burger by themselves, they can share a burger into small mini-sized burger, which is now into a taco, and cook into like a fajita styles. And the whole of the field is actually edible. And it's also a tribute for the World Championships as well.
Okay, I'm gonna have the taco, you eat the grass. I don't know what the point is, I don't know. That's not part of cheat day, chef. But this one looks awesome and it's easier to eat too because the burger kind of got a little bit messy on me. And I kept it all together. I think this is a better idea actually. And you know why? Because also, I love that you use the melted cheese, kind of like that nacho, cheese on top, the nacho flavor for the tacos, which is such a good flavor. I love it inside. What would be like your favorite team? What's your favorite football team?
Argentina, of course.
Argentina, of course.
Yes, that's why we are presenting you first de leche ice cream, which is have an Argentinian influence as well.
Very nice. So I guess, I mean, to pick teams and everybody's picking teams, but I pick like Serena Williams. I know it's not like a team, it's tennis, you know, but it doesn't really make too much sense, but I like her better. So this here is dulce de leche ice cream with the banana
and Nutella.
Oh my God, how are you gonna, you gotta get a spoon. Take this, take that, please.
First you have to take the ice cream with the banana.
Great ending to everything perfect. Now I'm gonna have all my crew, they gotta come over here. They gotta help me finish everything because it was just too much. And I thank you so much, Chef. I had a cool experience. And you know what? Now let's go play some darts because it's 1-1.
Definitely.
We gotta settle this.